Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn to find the equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. We've got three success criteria, and the first one is to find the equation of a line. So the equation of any straight line can be written in the form y equals mx plus c. M is the gradient of the line, so how steep the line is, and c is the y-intercept. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. The first number in a coordinate is always the x-coordinate, and the second number in a coordinate is always the y-coordinate. So we want to find the equation of a line that passes through 4, 9 and 2, 15. So we first of all find the gradient of the line. To find the gradient of the line, we do the difference in the y-coordinates over the difference in the x-coordinates. So the gradient will be 15 take away 9 over 2 take away 4. 15 take away 9 is 6, and 2 take away 4 is minus 2. 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3. So the gradient of the line is minus 3. So we can put this into the equation of our line. So y equals minus 3x plus c. And now we just need to work out what c is. So we can substitute one of the coordinates, it doesn't matter which one, into our equation. So I'm going to substitute 4, 9 in. So that means x equals 4 and y equals 9. So 9 equals minus 12 plus c. So if we solve this by adding 12 to both sides, that means c must be 21. So the equation of our line is y equals minus 3x plus 21. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 1. So now we're going to move on to number 2, and this is to find the equation of parallel lines. So two lines are parallel if they have the same gradient. So they need to have the same m value. So a line passes through 6, 5 and 9, 11. Find the line parallel to this, which passes through 1, 7. So we first of all find the gradient of the first line. So we do 11 take away 5 over 9 take away 6. So we're doing the difference in the y-coordinates over the difference in the x-coordinates, which would be 6 over 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the equation of our line will start off with y equals 2x plus c. Now we just need to work out what c is. Now it passes through the coordinate 1, 7. So we can substitute those numbers into our equation of the line. So x equals 1 and y equals 7. So 7 equals 2 times 1 plus c. So that means that c is 5. So the equation of our line is y equals 2x plus 5. Here's another example. A line passes through the coordinates 6, 6 and 1, 4. We want to find the equation of the line parallel to this, which passes through 3, 4. So we find the gradient of the first line. So we do the difference in y coordinates over the difference in x coordinates. So 4 take away 6 over 1 minus 6. So that's minus 2 over minus 5, which is 2/5. So the equation of our line starts off with y equals 2/5 of x plus c. And now we just need to work out what c is. So our line goes through the coordinate 3, 4. So we can substitute 3 and 4 into this equation of the line. So 4 equals 2/5 times 3 plus c. That means that c is 14 over 5. So the equation of our line is y equals 2/5 of x plus 14 over 5. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. There's your green answers. There's your amber answers. And there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3, and this is to find the equation of perpendicular lines. So two lines are perpendicular if they cross at 90 degrees. The gradient of a perpendicular line is minus 1 over m. This is called the negative reciprocal. So a line passes through minus 2, 0 and 0, 4. Find the line perpendicular to this, which passes through 3, 5. So we want to find the gradient of the first line first of all. So we do the difference in y's over the difference in x's. So we do 4 minus 0 over 0 minus minus 2. Remember, two negatives when they're next to each other become a plus. So that's 4 over 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now remember, we're not looking for a line parallel to this. We're looking for a line perpendicular to this. So it has to have a negative reciprocal gradient, which means the gradient of the line we're looking for is minus 1 over 2. So we can put this into the equation of the line. So y equals minus a half x plus c. Then we can substitute the coordinates that we know it goes through. So 3, 5. So x equals 3 and y equals 5. And then we just solve this to find c. So if we add 3 over 2 to both sides, c is 13 over 2. So the equation of our line is y equals minus a half x plus 13 over 2. Here's a question for you to have a go at. Pause the video, And when you're ready to see what you should have done, press play. So here we want to find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to a line that passes through 2, 1 and 6, 3, and that passes through 2, 3. So we find the gradient of the first line first. So we do the difference in y's over the difference in x's. So that's 2/4, which is a half. We need to find the negative reciprocal of this. So that would be minus 2/1, which is just minus 2. We put this into the equation of our line. So y equals minus 2x plus c. Then we substitute in the coordinates that we know it goes through. So that's 2, 3. So 3 equals minus 2 times 2 plus c. So c is 7. That means the equation of our line is y equals minus 2x plus 7. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, and there's your amber answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 3. So now that we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.